Hey, hello everyone. Good evening and good morning to everyone. Right. This is our week two and free DevOps and SRE course, 30 days. Right. I hope you all are able to see me and watch me. Right. Okay. People on YouTube are yet to join, and I don't know about LinkedIn. So if anyone is on LinkedIn, you can definitely say hi, and we can go ahead on top of that. Okay. People are joining slowly. I hope I'm able to. I mean, you all are able to hear me, right? Just I need a confirmation. So let me check for the people. Okay, people on YouTube. Okay, hi Satish, hi Sumant. Okay, great. Azizul has joined. Great. Ravi. Hi. Okay, okay, great. Okay, thank you all. Thank you. Hi, Sangeeta. Hello, all. Hello. Yes, great. So many people are there on LinkedIn. I see more people are there on LinkedIn. Great. Awesome. Right. So, how are the things going on? This is Sunday, right? So, how are the things going on from your end? You can just let me know whether you are searching for job or going to search. What are your thoughts? Facing any difficulties? Right. Okay, Bridge, thank you. Byron, great. Okay, awesome. Right. So let me know your thoughts. Week one project video. It's there in live session. Amit. Hello. Yes. Hello. Hi, Rahul. Yes. Okay, best session of the week. Great. What is the agenda today? I'll be definitely sharing that. Yes, Daniel. Great. Awesome. Right. So yes, let me share my screen to you. Okay, great. Awesome. Right. Working for the client on Sunday. Okay, Vikash. Okay. I'm searching for job. Christian is telling he's searching for job. Monday too sick to have leave. Okay. Correct. So long weekend is coming, right, people? Okay. Hi. What about people on YouTube? All are very much silent. What are your thoughts? Okay, you are from UAE. Hi, Ahmed. Nice to see you joining for the first time, Fareed Sheikh. That's good to see. How do I start AWS DevOps career? Yes, let me tell you in a little bit of time, right? So I hope everyone is able to hear and see me, right? Okay, great. So Amit, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, Amit. It's really good. I am Pune. No call receiving. Okay, don't worry. Searching for job. I'm searching for job. Okay. Terraform is necessary. Yes, Vipul. Terraform is necessary. Okay, Lipson, Portugal. Okay, great. Awesome. Right? Okay. Watching Gadar too. Okay. So, guys, let me start. Okay, Ranjita is telling she has joined first time, searching for job, not getting any response. Okay, let me share my screen. I will quickly tell you what is the agenda for today, and then you can see like what exactly we are going to do. Okay, let me. Okay, Okay, agenda for today's session I'll be writing down. So people on YouTube, I hope you all are able to hear and see me, right? So agenda for today will be your AWS DevOps DevOps CICD pipeline project we will see. Okay, pipeline project. So I will be introducing you all the various AWS DevOps concepts which will include your AWS code commit, right? Your AWS code deploy, right? AWS pipeline, code pipeline basically, right? Little bit on your load balancers, right? We will see how you interact with your application. A little bit on your AWS, what else? Code build. In this, you will have a GitHub repository, right? GitHub repository, your Docker file, right? Your Docker file and your build spec file, okay? Which is basically AWS build. Okay, clear everyone? Clear with the agenda, guys? And also we will see your cloud watch. If you are okay, I will be showing you this. Okay, so I hope you are making I'm making it clear, right? Yes. What about people on YouTube? Are you all clear with what is the agenda and everything? So let me see. Okay. Okay. Great. Okay. Yes, all are clear. give a quick yes, and I'll be going ahead with the agenda and the plan. Okay? Yes, all are clear? Guys, are you with me? Everyone, a quick yes, a quick thumbs up or a quick yes. Then I'll be going ahead. Yes, great. Okay, awesome. Okay, clear. Okay, before that, okay, clear. What about others? People on LinkedIn, are you all clear what we are going to do with this next maybe 1 hour of your time, right? Okay, great, awesome, awesome, great. Okay, nice. So great, awesome. You all are clear, right? So let me tell you a few things before going ahead. Let me tell you one thing, guys. So I was not supposed to release today, right? So there is one thing which I have released, right? So let me introduce you all. What is that all about? Next, maybe 2-3 minutes, I will talk about that, and I will talk like how my teachings have helped various students to crack various companies, right? So first of all, let me introduce you all the prime batch, right? The prime batch, which is upcoming prime batch. So this prime 4.0, I have already completed 3 batches. So this prime batch 4.0 will give you all real-time projects, all real-time concepts, right? And it was only for Telegram people, because I see more people were asking me questions on YouTube, right? And a few DMs I was getting. So I thought, let me introduce you all today. But actual launch is going to happen by tomorrow and all, right? So this launch is only for few people with this price, right? So what you will get in this price, let me tell you, right? So few things you will get here. Let me explain you clearly in next 1 minute. If you are interested, you can take it. If you are not interested, you can go ahead with your free course on YouTube. No issues. Okay. So let me tell you, this is 100% job ready course. I have cracked Amazon, Walmart, your Microsoft, Informatica, SAP, Paytm, EPAM, and Cisco, and various other companies, right? So all my experience I will share here. Along with that, what you get, let me tell you, the class starts on 2nd September. It will be live sessions, 3 hours per weekend class. Like Saturday and Sunday, you will be with me 3 hours, right? You will be with me 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. IST, right? So what you will get it in this class timings, you will get 2 hours of your what you call like theory, and 1 hour of project. So what you will get in project, 12 plus real time projects with core teaching. Whatever I have not covered in YouTube, everything will be here, right? So if you see, this is a pre-launch price, and it was supposed to be for Telegram people, not for anyone, right? But I thought like you were giving DMs everywhere, so I thought, let me introduce this. So this is a pre-launch price, and if you see, after 2 days, right after independence, the price will be increased, right? And limited number of people, 50 registrations will be taken up with this price. And once I cross the 50 registrations, this price will be changed. Now what you will get in this price, let me tell you, 2+ years of access. Recordings will be available. Last 3 batches I have covered with 1+ year experience, 1+year recordings. No prerequisites needed. You all can join. Okay, you all can join, and it's beginner friendly, and complete class will be on English. Whatever the motivation, whatever Josh you are seeing, that Josh will be imbibed to you, imparted to you, right? And if you see, next 2 days it will be the same price, or 50 registrations if I close, I will be closing this registrations, right? Now my students have got 30 LPA CTC. You can talk with any students on LinkedIn, Instagram, and Telegram. 3000 plus active learners, 15 plus LPA is average, and 10 plus tool covers. Now what you will get now, next 2 months, right? The course is starting from 2nd September 2023. September and October, you will be with me. Now what you will get it, this will be your induction class, SRE and DevOps fundamentals. This will be your, again, hands-on project setup. I will be giving all tools, all all your technology tools, everything on your system, which we will install. Now here everything starts. The CICD with real-time project, whatever I have done in any organization, if you see, I'll be giving you all this. And if you see real-time project 2, the advanced project 2, this will be your Docker continuous delivery with project 3, Kubernetes with real-time project 4, Python with real-time project 5, chatbot automation. Guys, you will get in this the chatbot automation with both Python and Node.js. Now what you need to understand, see, when you are doing the job search, people need the people who are having different skills, different knowledge, different experience. Now if you see, I am covering Node.js, Python here, in order to make you eligible and in order to make you strong enough to compete with other people, right? So you will get project 6, again shell scripting with project 7, Kubernetes monitoring. Here you will have Grafana, Prometheus, your Elk stack, everything will be coming here, right? AWS scenarios, again, this will be completely different from what you are seeing. Ansible with Project 11, Red Hat, Linux system administration, whatever you will be watching in RHCS exam, you will be getting here, right? Everything is here. Resume building, your LinkedIn profile building, and mock interviews. I'll be taking your mock interviews, and whatever you need to make it clear, you will be getting from this, right? So you can see here what my previous batch students have to say. You can just click and see the video, but let me take you down. These are all tools. And if you see, my students have placed, batch 1 and batch 2 students have placed in Walmart, NEC, Infosys, Sapient, Global Logic, Techolution, Zynga, DXC, Nokia, Align, NAB, right? Many more are there, Cisco and all are there. And if you see, right, with Gopi, I have taken the picture in Walmart office itself. Isaki Rajan in Kesaya, Chandra has gone into Deloitte, right? He has gone into one company, Airtel Tripura, right? So similarly, so many reviews are there, so many reviews, and you will get a certificate also for completion, right? And any queries, any questions, right? And you can see all people have given big testimonials. You can see here, right? So this is a soft launch, guys. If you are interested, you can take it. What you have to do, you have to just go here. I'll be giving this to everyone, right? You have to go here and click on that link, right? And directly it will take you to the landing page, or you can just give www.praveensingampalli.com. That's it. It will take you to the landing page, and that page will be having all the details. You can talk with any of my students and you can take it, right? So if you click here, you have to go into the courses dashboard, and this will be the course for Prime Bash 4.0, and you can get anything you need, right? Okay, let's go ahead. All are clear with what is the prime motive to release this, right? All of you clear with this? Clear? Are you all clear? Please say yes, no, whatever your thoughts is, then I will move forward. Okay, clear? Price, everything is there in the website, right? And you can see, right? Okay, it's not 16 weekends. It's probably yes, 16 weekends, 32 to 40 hours we are going to complete, right? Everything is on your website, right? Okay, clear? Okay, awesome, right? So I am sharing the link again to you. This will be your link, www.praveensingampalli.com, right? Currency, you can select any type of currency, right? If you have any Indian friends, you can give them. Eligibility, anyone, guys. So let me tell you, eligibility is anyone, right? You are eligible. Both freshers and experienced are eligible. So it's for everyone, right? And it's a prime batch. So I wanted to make sure you all are getting more what is needed for you to get job, right? So the price for today and tomorrow will be this price, or 50, right? Like, let's take I get 50 registrations, I will change this price, right? Okay, let's start the things fast. Let me take out the document. Okay, let's start the class. So meanwhile, you can check out all the links at my name basically, right? praveensingampalli.com, right? And you can talk with any students on LinkedIn, on Instagram, right? I have placed every testimonial everywhere. It's open to everyone, right? So let me just show you one last thing here. Just I wanted to show you here this thing, my profile features list. If you see here, right, all the jobs, right? So if you see my student from Bash 3.0, right, junior DevOps engineer, right, Mercedes Benz, right? If you see 400% hike, Yogesh Lakotia, right? So all the things will be coming here on the features list. You can check and talk with them. Okay, clear? So not waste time. Let's go ahead and start our class today. Okay. So, okay, let me open docs.google.com for everyone. Okay, let's start our class, guys. Okay, let's start our class. Okay, let me take out my AWS console. Okay, we will not waste much time. Let's start our class. Okay, now the step one, let me design what is the architectural component of today's class. So as I have told you, you will see AWS code commit, right? So what will happen? You will commit your code here, right? A person is here. You will be committing your code on code commit. Once you commit your code on code commit, immediately the build will happen. It is your code build, AWS code build. Immediately the next cycle will be your pipeline will get trigger, AWS pipeline, right? And here you will have build spec.yml, right? Clear, everyone? Now, all of you, those who are watching me, please take a note of this process, this flow, because if you miss this flow, you will be able to not understand basically, right? All of you have written the this things. Yes, no? All of you have written these things, guys. Okay, AWS pipeline. Then you will see some AWS CloudWatch logs, right? CloudWatch logs. Are you all clear with this? What you are going to see with this current setup today? Yes. Are you all clear? Give a thumbs up. Okay, so let's start the things. Guys, all of you, this is my GitHub. All of you, please take my GitHub note. Praveen 1994 DEC is my GitHub. From this GitHub, we will be taking the code today. Clear, everyone? Clear, everyone, guys? Yes? Okay, I'm not seeing anyone. Yes, no? Yes? Clear, everyone? Okay, send me link. I have sent the link again. Are you all clear with what we are going to do? Okay, so let's do the step one. I have kept each thing as a stage. So first we will create a code commit. So all of you see my repository, guys. This is my repository, Praveen 1994 DEC. I will ping on both here. This is my repository. All of you need to clone the code. Okay, so now let me tell you what are the steps you need to do. AWS pipeline is the code which you will see. Now here you will see something like Dockerfile, build spec file. So let's discuss about this. Now Dockerfile is nothing but it is creating a container of nginx container, right? And it is copying the file index.html into container. Okay, copying the jpg file into the container. As simple as that. Here we are having few keywords: from, label, copy, expose, cmd. Let me tell you what each does. Very quickly I will be telling because we need to cover so many things. Okay, so from means you are telling that this is the image, base image, which you call, it means you want an nginx container. Okay, label is nothing but it's adding like a product label, right? How you have your product a label, right? Similarly your container will have a label. Copy, we are copying this file which is present on your laptop to your container. Okay, now same one. Expose, we are telling the container or the system to be exposed on port 80, right? And how we are running with this command. Clear, everyone? Yes, no? Guys, clear? Okay, give me a yes. With Docker container all are clear, right? Yes. Okay, let's take it forward. Okay, now what is the next thing is, so first I have shown you this. Now what you have to do, let's follow step by step. Step one, the first step is use the code commit console to create the code commit repository. Now let me take you to AWS. Okay, now what you have to search, code commit. So this is what we need first. Okay, this is what we need first, right? So code commit is a service in AWS. Let's click on this. All of you see what I'm going to do. Okay, let me hide this basically. All of you see this is code commit. Yes, all of you people on YouTube, are you all clear? Yes, yes. Are you all clear? Yes, no? Are you all clear, people on LinkedIn? Okay, great. So let's move forward. So what I need to do here, you see developer tools are there. Okay. Now in developer tools, what you are seeing, source code commit, build code build, deploy code deploy, and pipeline code pipeline. Now each one of this is an AWS service. So let's get started with one by one. Okay. So step one, what is the step one for us? Stage one, step one, use the code commit console to create code commit repository. Okay, so this is basically AWS DevOps pipeline. Okay, so let's create a repository for us. As of now, I have created this, but I will create one more repository for you. Let's keep the name like something like any name you want to suggest here. Maybe we can take like Sunday demo. Is this fine? We will take like Sunday demo repository name. ठीक है? सब चलेगा ना Sunday demo? Yes. Okay, chalo. Sunday demo liya. Let's create this as a repository. Now, immediately what we have to do, I will be telling you. Okay. Now create this. This is basically your GitHub. Okay. This is like your GitHub on AWS. Okay. So Sunday demo repository is ready. Now what you have to do immediately once this has completed, see, you see step two. Let's go to the step two. Stage one is use the code commit console to create the code commit repository. So I have created. So step one is done. All are clear. No questions, na? No questions, right? Step one, no questions, right? People on YouTube and people on LinkedIn. No questions, right? Okay, let's go forward on step two. Step two, create the I am user role for code commit and add the policy. Okay, as permission. Now what you have to do, you need to use an I am user basically here. Now what is my I am user here? I have already created an I am user, right? And this is my I am user. Okay, now let's go to I am as a service. All of you see I am. So whenever I talk with the capital letter, right, it means that it is I am as a service. Okay, so let me go here. I am as a service, right? And what you need to do, you need to give the permission of code commit. Now why it is important, let me tell you guys. Whatever AWS service you create, this person should be given access. Okay, with I am. Okay, without this person will not be able to access this. Clear everyone, right? This person will not be able to access this without IAM. IAM stands for identity and access management, right? So let me go here. So what I will do, I will go to my roles. So let me show you. This is my user, guys. Already I have created. So click on this user and you see what permission I need to give. AWS code commit power user, add as a permission to user. This document will be shared on the Telegram channel right after this class, right? So if any questions, any queries, join the Telegram group. The Telegram group link is in the description on YouTube and on the LinkedIn post. Okay, so if I show you here, so check here, it is already added. If it is not added, what you need to do, let me show you here. If it is not added, click on this attach policies, right? So Singham batch user, add permission, attach policies directly, and you need to check this tick mark next and save it. Clear? Your user, add permission, and next. You have to add the permission to this role, right? This basically role. Clear everyone? No, service will not cost, right? You can do it and delete it as early as possible. Correct? Yes, clear everyone, right? People on YouTube, clear? Clear? Step 2 clear. Guys, every step I will ask like this because I want to make it clear to everyone. Step 2 clear है सबको भाई लोग? जल्दी से हाँ बोलो, फिर step 3 पे जाएंगे. हाँ या ना? भाई लोग हो या? हाँ या ना? Hello? Yes or no? Yes or no? Okay, no comments yet. All are silent or I am not getting comments. Okay. What about others? People on LinkedIn, are you all clear? हाँ चलो. What about people on LinkedIn? चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. LinkedIn people हो? हाँ ठीक है चलो. Step 2 is completed, right? Now let's go to step 3, guys. Now what is step 3? Clone your AWS code commit repo in your local, right? Now what very important step, I have given the directions also here with an yellow mark what you need to do, right? Now before this, make sure you have the AWS configure command already set up in your local CLI. Okay, let's do that step 3. This is my CLI. Let me clear the screen. Let me come out of this repository. So this is basically your Fire playlist repo, right? So what I will do is basically step 3, you see, clone your AWS code commit repo in your local. Okay, so what we have to do, go to your code commit. Okay, go to your code commit. Once you have into the code commit, click on your Sunday demo repository, which is 4 minutes ago, right? Sunday demo repository, clone URL, clone HTTPS, correct? So what you have seen, you are seeing like this has been cloned. Yes or no? Yes, this has been cloned. Now, once you see this, right, what you have to do, right? So see, I have done this, clone URL, I have given this URL. Now go to step 3.1, guys. Okay, under step 3, we are at step 3.1. So this is very much important. As you all know that the GitHub needs the credentials, right? The GitHub needs credentials, right? Username and password. Similarly, our AWS code commit needs the username and password to clone our code, correct? Clone code, we need username and password, correct? All of you agree, guys, with this? Yes or no? All of you agree, right? So similarly, what we will do now, we will generate the username and password for this one. Okay, okay. So let's generate, let's see like what it does. Okay, so how you will generate in step 3.1, see here, if you see set up AWS Credential Helper, right? So what you need to do, you need to go here, learn more, click on this. I have anyways given steps. Okay, so don't worry, you don't need to go everything here, right? So what you need to do, just see this. Okay, now what is this? Step 3, create Git credentials for HTTPS connections to code commit from my local laptop. If I want to connect to the server, right, this is the process. Okay, what it is the process? Step 1, sign into the console, which we have done. Step 2, in the IAM console, in the navigation pane, choose users, and from the list users, choose your IAM user. Now let's go to the IAM, guys. Very much important. Okay, I will go to my IAM user. Okay, now once I go into the IAM user, now let's see, IAM users are here. Okay, now what was the step? Go to your IAM user who will create the git. Okay, go to your IAM user. Where is that? Okay, remove this. My user was Singham batch. I went here. All of you see here, what is the next step from here? I am doing very much important. The very next step, I am selecting the security credentials. Okay, because I need the credentials for my user. You click on the security credentials, you come down, you will find something like SSH public keys code commit. Okay, so see, AWS is giving the special SSH public keys, and where we are in IAM user, under user, which is your user, this user. Under that you see, or if you just search like code commit, it will give you the data. Okay, now once you have done this, basically what you need to do, see, I have already generated this. Okay, let me make it small. I have already generated 2 credentials. So let me deactivate 1 credentials and show you. Okay, so let me deactivate 1 credentials. I will just do this. Okay, now you see, okay, it has not deactivated. Okay, let me delete it. Okay, I have deleted, guys. Now see, it is asking me to generate credentials. Let me generate. So see, it has already generated. Now let me do one thing. Let me copy this username, right? So, and save it somewhere. Okay, so I will save it here, my username, and I will copy the password. But what I will do now, let me, okay, I have copied the password and the username, done, right? So step 3 is done, 3.1 basically, right? All are clear with step 3.1. See, I have also shown you, you need to go into IAM users, your user security credentials. Under that, you will have to generate the code commit. Clear with step 3? All of you, okay, zoom it. Okay, sorry guys, if I am missing it. Okay, this was the code commit. Okay, under IAM users, your username, and here, okay, generate code commit. Clear everyone? A quick yes. Shall we move to the step 4? Shall we move to the step 4? All of you clear? Okay, Pooja, what is your question? Pooja MV is asking, please repeat. What is your question, Pooja? Okay, great. So let's go ahead and see what are the next things we have. So guys, in step 4, what we have to do now? See, this is one-time process. Okay, it is one-time process. Just I am telling how you migrate. Migrate your code from GitHub to AWS code commit is what I will show you. Okay, now let's see the step 4, which is this step, how you convert your code from GitHub to AWS code commit. Okay, just simple, just follow my steps. Okay, so now in the step 4 there are again some steps. Let's see, right? Git clone. So what is this Git clone, guys? Code commit week 2 demo. So I will not take week 2 demo. What I have to take, all of you, let me clear this. So everyone have to change this URL according to your new repository. So what is my new repository, guys? Here, clone URL, clone HTTPS. My new repository is Sunday demo, right? Correct ना? तो मैं यहाँ पे Sunday demo लिखूंगा, right? तो इसको मैं क्लोन करूंगा लोकल पे, ठीक है? तो अभी जाते हैं लोकल पे, we will clone it, okay? Now clear the screen and let me make it big little bit. Okay, now rm-rf, let me do this. Okay, and I will clone I will write this. Okay, git clone the code commit URL from AWS, guys, US West 1. Okay, v1 repo Sunday demo. Let me clone it. See, it is cloning in. See what it is telling, guys: unable to access the requested URL returned 403. Okay, now you see. Okay, now it is giving this error. So let me do this Sunday demo.git. And if it is not giving this properly, right? Okay, it is not giving the proper response. So what we will do, we have to use our credentials. So what we have to do, let me tell you. We have our, it will usually ask, okay, don't worry. What we will do, vim dot. Oh, okay. Let me close this and open a new terminal for everyone, right? Okay, it is giving this. So let me see any other things I need to make it. Okay, so guys, there is one issue. So what it is telling is you are signed in with root account. So here one thing you need to understand, I have to sign out and I have to go in with Singham batch account. Okay, I am user. Okay, so let me go in with I am user. That is why it was not allowing me to do it. Okay, so don't worry, let me create it with I am user. So I am user was Singham batch user. Okay, Singham batch. What is this password? Okay. Okay, no worries. Let me take out the account ID once. Okay, good. Now let's see if it is giving us access, because I have created with the root user, it was not allowing me. So let's create one more time. Sorry for that. Okay. Okay. Now let's remove this and create again. Don't worry. I will just type delete and I will delete it. Let's create a new repository with the same name, Sunday-demo. Okay, and create it. Okay, so let's see if it allows or not. Clone URL, clone HTTPS, and let's see, like in IAM, the permissions are there for that particular code commit data or not. Users, under users, you have your Singham batch user, and that, okay, code commit power user is already there. So let me clone, let me give the git clone. Okay, still it is not able to access. Return 403. Okay. Okay, why it is giving 403? There will be a permission issue. So let's see if anything is there under the code commit. Okay, let me close this. Let me make the screen big for everyone. Now I am code commit. Okay, code commit. Okay, Sunday demo HTTPS. Okay, what is this URL? No, not this one. Let me try to clone this and see. Get clone. Okay, it is not an empty directory. CD mkdir test cd test. Now let's see if it is cloning. Okay, why it is giving 403 access? Any idea, guys, why it is giving 403? HTTPS permission, go to user and activate. User access password, I have activated already. Oh, okay. Let me check that. Okay, I think I have done both the things what you have telling. Check for HTTPS connection. No, till I was doing the hands-on, right? At that time, it got clear. Users, under user, you have this user. Okay. Security, okay, permissions. Code commit is already there. Directly, it is already there. Security credentials, access keys, SSH public keys. Okay, 9 minutes ago. Okay, let's see this. Let me delete this and we'll create one more. Let's delete this and create one more time, because this we have created with the root account. So I think it is not allowing. Okay, that is the reason. Let's do one thing. Let's delete this. Okay. Guys, I think that is why it was not allowing me. So let me download my credentials. Okay, it is done. But let me also save this credentials somewhere in my notepad. Now I think it should work, because last time we have taken with this one. So that is the reason it was not allowing. So let me close it. So now it is completed 9 minutes ago. Let me clear the screen for this. Okay. Okay. Now done. Everything is done. Let's see code commit here. Okay. Sunday week 2 डेमो यहाँ पे जाओ, क्लोन कर लो. कुछ तो नहीं है. ठीक है, कॉपी कर लिया. Git credentials. Okay, done. Let's see like how it is behaving now. Okay, hopefully again it is giving 403. Okay, any mistake I am doing, guys? What do you think? Any mistake I am doing? Or क्योंकि मैंने इसको मतलब before for me worked, I used the user and key created security credentials during step 3. I used check the user in AWS config. It is already there. I worked before coming live to this class, right? I have to do hands-on and then have to show you, right? Okay, tell Syed anything, any suggestions? SSH URL. Okay, let's go with that. Let's try. Okay, let's try this. Okay, it is asking, let's give yes. Okay, great. I think SSH is working. HTTPS, I need to do some git config or something, right? Correct. SSH it worked actually, right? Okay, so let's see like ls-lrta. Let's see. Okay, git branch. Okay, now clear. It worked. Git clone. It worked, right? Sunday demo should be here. Okay, it is not giving public access, guys. It was working. Let's do one thing. I will not waste time. I will go with the Sunday demo, which I have already done. Okay, let's see if it is allowing this. Git clone. Did I changed anything? Guys, anything did I changed? Git repo permissions? No. No, HTTP won't work the way. The authentication should be present in the same directory. No, guys, I think there is some issue with my system. It worked. Okay, I did all the things today only. Okay, so what we will do now, let's see if I am missing any step here. Security credentials कर दिए सिंगम बैच को, generate कर दिए, ये कर दिए, ये भी हो गया, power user भी दे दिए, I am role. Let's see one more time if we are missing anything. Let's see one more time if I am missing any of the things which I was telling. Okay, users. Okay, permissions wise, we are clear. Right, security credentials should be in that same directory. Okay. Run the git config command. Okay, let's see. Let's try this git config. Okay. Config file location. Let's see this. Okay, it's not. What will happen? Git. Okay, git version is clear. Port 80 need to be allowed in this case, maybe. No. Nothing is needed. Let's do that. Okay. We are doing trial and error. Just we will see like what exactly the issue is. Okay. Any other things you want to suggest? Public key should be there in AWS code commit. No, Shrikant, I didn't use all those things. Okay. Oh, is it authentication file? If we keep there, it will work? I don't think so. Let's see. If you are telling, let me keep it. Okay, no problem. Let us Google it. Why to bang our heads, right? Let's Google it. It will tell like what exactly the error is. I did do all these things. I don't know like why suddenly it gave the error. Uninstall AWS client from my system and reinstall and configure. Okay, I cloned my IAM account and gave it full access. I cloned my IAM account. Just delete the credentials as below and next time pop-up window will come. Credentials manager. If you are using go to kitchen process, look for code commit and delete the stored key. Okay, 1 second guys. Might be with my system there is one issue. Let's see this. Okay, I think I have deleted. After deleting it, create second credentials manager. I'm going to delete the stored key. Okay. Just 1 second, huh? Singham batch. Okay, got it. Okay, any other things I wanted to try? No, it's issue with my system. Okay, it's issue with my system. Yes, it's issue with my system. I think I need to delete some of this because I was using some other key, right? So it's not allowing it to take, and it's not allowing to delete also. Delete. Okay, guys, it's done, I think. Okay, 1 second, huh? Okay, everyone clear? What was the issue? Are you all clear, guys? Are you all clear? What troubleshooting steps we have done? No, it's working now. It's working now, guys. It's working now. Did you observe what troubleshooting step I have done? How many of you have observed the troubleshooting step? How many of you have observed the troubleshooting step? Okay. How many of you have observed the troubleshooting step? Tell me a yes or no. It worked now. It worked now. How many of you have seen that? Guys, reply करो at least यार. अमोल आपने देखा है? बाकी लोग LinkedIn पे? People on LinkedIn? What about you all? Have you seen? Have you seen? Okay, now let me tell you what was the issue now. Because I was doing the hands-on, right? From morning, I was doing trial and error. I was working with various accounts. So somehow my Git was taking only one account, due to which in the systems manager, right? See, this is the keychain of Mac, and in this it has already taken one account, okay, which is not this account. Earlier it was other account, and it was trying to hit that account credentials, which I have already deleted, right? So what it was trying to do, let me explain you in simple terms. Okay, just 1 second, huh? So we have created an credentials, okay, and this is my Mac. Okay, so this credentials was taken up by this Mac, and it was working fine during 4 p.m. today. Okay, now what I did now, I deleted this credentials. I deleted, right? But in Mac, still these credentials are getting pointed. And when I'm trying to download the Sunday demo, it was not downloading. So what two commands I have used from internet, I have Googled it. So those two commands are this one. So I have done the git config global credential helper, AWS code commit, credential helper, and the next one is use HTTP path true. So both this credential related data I have set, and then it has allowed me to download my Sunday demo. Clear, everyone? All are clear? So let's go to the next step. We will not waste much time. So much time it has been taken up. So let's see, and let's see. Okay, this has been done. Now what we are trying to do, we are mirroring the repository data. Okay, now what I am doing, see guys, this is my repository. Okay, all of you see, this is my repository data, and what I am doing here is I am mirroring that repository data into a folder. Okay, now you tell me, are you seeing in the test folder, right, ls-lrta in the test folder, any repository with GitHub? Okay, GitHub repo? No, right? So let me clone. So what I'm trying to do, from my repository, I'm trying to send it into the AWS repository. Let me enter it. I will just set it. So now you see ls-lrta, you see GitHub repo. In GitHub repo, so mirror is basically to send the data to the repository. In GitHub repo, if you do ls-lrta, see all the data it has come. So let me clear the screen. Now what is the step? The next step is cd GitHub repo I have done. Git push, where I am pushing, guys, not in week 2 demo. I have to push in Sunday demo repo, right? So let me clear this URL and take the URL from here, right? Git push Sunday demo URL, and let me copy this. So now let me show you in Sunday demo repo, there is nothing, guys, as of now. This is code commit only, right? So if you see, it is empty repository. So let's do the code commit now. Okay, it is sending the data from our local repository to the central repository. So let's see now, if I clear the screen, if I do the refresh of the screen, now let's see what will happen. Okay, so all the data, it has come here. Yes or no? Everyone clear? Yes, clone issue got resolved, Syed. Okay, right, clear. Now let's go and see. Let me close the keychain things which was giving us the clone error, right? So let's go to the next step. Step 5. Now code commit and check all the repo details. This we have done. Till step 5, all are clear. Give me a yes. Till step 5, all are clear. Francisco, we have only done here the credentials set basically. So in my Mac, there was a credential issue. I deleted that credential and I have set a new credential. Okay, with that, the clone issue got resolved. Now what we have done is we have performed these 2 steps, right? So what I'm doing, I am downloading my repository, Praveen's repository, and I am saving all the data in GitHub repo, and I am sending that data git push to AWS repository. So if you see in the AWS repository, everything is here. Clear now, Francisco and everyone? Right? Great. Caswell, right? Great. Awesome. Right? Okay, great. Now let's go ahead and let's see some other things. Okay. Now, mirror, Vaibhav, ठीक है ना? समझ में आ गया, right? Let's go ahead. ठीक है? Abhi, step number 5, we have validated. Now let's say, now code commit is completed, guys. So what we have done, from our local repository, right? From our local repository, right? From our local repository, we have sent it to central repository, which is AWS, right? Now, stage 1 is completed. Next, we'll move to stage 2. Okay. Now, what is stage 2? Let's see. Now, stage 2 is configure code build. Very, very important. Okay. Now, code commit we have done now. Now, code build, create repository. Okay. Why? Okay. 1 second. Let's go to the code build. Let me show you what exactly the code build has. Okay. This is the code build service. Okay. Now, what is code build? In similar how you have the code built in your pipeline, right? Jenkins pipeline. Similarly, that will be having here. So let's go to step by step. Now, stage 2, configure code build, create repository in ECR. Okay, what is ECR? Elastic Container Registry. So let me show you that service first. Elastic Container Registry. You come here, right? And you click on this ECR, right? You will already see something like Singham batch. But I will create one more repository, which I will keep private, and I will name like Sunday demo only. Okay. Okay. And everything I will keep same, and I will create a repository. Now, this is similar to our JFrog repository, guys. Okay. This is similar to our JFrog repository. So here we will be sending our images. Okay. Now, let's see. This I have already told you, and this is my URL, and your URL will be this one. Okay, this one you need to copy from here, right? So let's move forward now. 2.1. Okay, let me step 2 is completed. Step 2.1 is set up a code build project. Okay, now let's see like how to set up this. Now click on code build project. Okay, so let's see, this is our code build, right? Where is our code build? Let's see. Okay, this is our code build. I have clicked on this. Okay, once I clicked on this create build project, I will create a build project. Okay, now let's see what I'm doing. Some project name, I will change it to Sunday demo. Okay, everything you keep it same. Now what we are trying to do, let me tell you what we are trying to do. This is code commit. From here, the code build will take the data, right? This is repository. The code build will take the data. And finally, we will see code pipeline, right? The third stage is code pipeline. Okay. So let's see what will happen. Now you see repository. Which one I will select, guys? Which one I will select? Yes, Francisco, I will share the steps in Telegram channel, right? Telegram channel is present in the description of the video, right? So are you all clear, right? Yes, guys, are you all clear? Yes, ठीक है, चलो बढ़िया. So let's go ahead and see what we have to do. Select repository. Which repository I have to select? In the code build, I have to select the repository of week Sunday demo. Sorry. Now, reference type branch only, keep it. Branch is main. So everything I have given as the screenshot, name, right? And now source, the source of input to this will be what? Okay. Now let's see. This is very important step. Very, very much important. Listen carefully. The branch, additional information come down, Git clone dep. Now operating system, Amazon Linux 2. So I have selected here. If you see, so see branch and everything we have selected, right? Operating system, Amazon Linux 2, standard runtime. So this all things are needed by code build. Code build needs all these things. So project name under code build is Sunday demo. You have to give your input. Primary source is code commit is sending the data to code build, right? Done. Now come down, branch, main, Git clone, managed service, Amazon Linux 2 operating system, right? So that's what I have given. Amazon Linux 2 standard operating system, runtime, select standard, image. So image, you can keep it anything, but as of now, I will go with 4.0, right? So let's see, like 4.0 is here, right? And you see image version, you can keep it always latest, or you can select something like 23.02.16. It's up to you. Okay, it's up to you. Whatever you want to select, you can select it. Now, this is one of the important step. If you don't do this from code build, the data will not be sent to ECR, right? So let me tell you what exactly we are doing with code build. The code build will read the build spec.yml, right? Then it will perform the steps which are there in this YML. And in that one particular step I'll be showing you is our send to ECR. Okay. If you not enable this, this will fail. Okay. So let me enable this, right? So I have told that also enable this service role. You keep anything as per your need. So this is default role name and everything. Additional configuration, nothing is needed. Just keep everything same. And environment variables. Now, before this, let me show you one thing here. Let me close the screen. Let me make it bring here. Now, what are environment variables? Let me show you in my GitHub repository. So guys, here, if you see build spec.yaml. So if you see, right, in pre-build, what it is doing, everyone see, this is the version faces pre-build. In pre-build, it is logging into the container, right? And it is setting the variables, right? Now in the build section, what it is doing, it is building the Docker image. In the post build, what it is doing, it is pushing it to the repository, right? Are you all clear? I am making sense? Yes, no? ठीक है ना, मतलब आपको समझ में आ रहा है? Yes, no? Yes, no? Right? Okay. Now, once you do this, just say anything. Now, add when environment variable is very, very important. Fill the environment variables. I'll keep it in another color. Fill environment variables is very important. Now, what are the environment variables you need to keep it is according to your build file. So how many environment variables you are seeing? AWS default region, right? So copy here, same one, right? So add as a parameter, add environment variable. AWS default region is US West 1. Okay. The plain text will be there. Add environment. Okay, let me. Okay, the next environment variable is which one? AWS account ID. Okay, that will also be residing here. AWS account ID. So this is like your passing environment variable. So account ID is coming from here. Keep it here. The next one is image underscore tag. Again, it will be coming somewhere here. Image. So all the variables from here, it will be going to that one. Okay, latest I have kept. image repo name, image repo name. Yeah, image repo name. Copy this, keep it here, and your repo name is Sunday_demo. Correct? This one, repo name. Okay. So let's keep this. And once you have done this, logs, very much important, the CloudWatch logs. You can give any name. I will give here Sunday demo only. Okay, Sunday demo, or yahan pe Sunday demo. Clear? And create build project. That's it. Are you all watching me, guys? Clear till now? Yes, clear, right? 60 people are watching on YouTube. Another 10 minutes, we will complete this. Okay. People on LinkedIn, another 10 minutes, we will complete this. Okay. So once we have done this, you see under the code build, there will be something like your Sunday demo. Okay. Now let's go to the next step. Okay, clear. Great. Okay, great. Now let's go to the next step. Okay, where is our document? Okay, now 2.2, go to code build IAM role. Now, very much important step 2.2 is go to code build IAM role and attach this policy so that code build can access ECR. Okay. Now, code build, what was our code build? This one, if you remember, there was a IAM role which has been created. Let me show you. Edit source. Okay. I think not under source. Let me take it to the next level. Environment. Okay, this is our IAM role. So what I will do, I will go to here in the IAM role. For that particular role, I will search it. Okay, this is our role. And I will just check. See, as of now, there is no role assigned. And what role we need to assign, guys? You see, Amazon EC2 container registry power user. Okay, for this particular role, code build B service role. And whatever here you see, now I will search. I will go to here, add permission, attach policies. Now AWS, what is that code? AWS, Amazon EC2 container registry. Okay. Amazon EC2 container registry. Okay. Amazon EC2 container. Let me copy this and paste it there. Okay. Okay, Amazon EC2 container registry power user. Okay, this is one we need to add it. Okay, so let me keep it in the document so that you don't get confused, right? I have added Amazon EC2 container registry power user. You need to add it, right? And once you have added it, right, save it. Okay, add permission. Now you see how many permissions we have? 3, right? So our this step is done, right? Our this step is done, right? Now 2.3, go to code build and run the build. Now till here, everyone is clear? Yes or no? Okay, please tell tricks to get grip in YAML scripts. It's like key value, right? Key value pair you need to remember. Okay, are you clear till here, guys, everyone? Okay, what about LinkedIn people? Are you all clear? Okay, great. Arbaz, other people, are you all clear? Yes, great. Now, okay, people on LinkedIn, I'm not getting your response. What I have to think? Are you clear till now? At the end, I will repeat everything, like your big picture, I will repeat. But tell me, people on LinkedIn, clear? Not getting response. LinkedIn pe nahi hai, but people. Okay, I don't think they are able to hear or not. I don't know. Okay, chalo, let's move forward. So, okay, I don't know. People on LinkedIn. Okay, yes. Now people are here. Okay, now people are here. Okay, great. Now it's okay. People on LinkedIn are taking like little bit late, but that's fine. Okay, let's go forward. let's do the step 2.0. Go to code build and run the build. Okay. Now what you have to think is, in the big picture, let me tell you the big picture. Code commit will trigger code build. Code build has a build spec.yaml, and this code build spec.yaml will convert your code into an image and into a container later, right? So this is what the flow is, and the logs will be sent to CloudWatch, right? Now let's move forward, right? Code build run another 5 minutes. Now let me run this code build, guys. Okay, Sunday demo. Okay, are you all seeing start build similar to your Jenkins? Are you seeing nothing is there, status nothing is there? Okay, I will start the build. Now you see what will happen. Okay, start the build, status in progress, Singham batch initiator, build ARN, right? Build number in Jenkins, similar to Jenkins, guys. And this process is similar to your GCP DevOps and AWS, Azure DevOps also. Okay, let's go clear the screen, close this, and let's come out. Okay, build history. Are you seeing it is in progress? So let's see the logs. I will go here and I will show you the logs now, how each of the log goes. Okay, close this, and you see view entire log, right? So everything is present in the code build itself, right? Because that is the biggest part. Now there is one more part I will be showing you in another 5 minutes. Now you see CloudWatch. This is CloudWatch logs, and you remember I gave the Sunday demo as the log name, right? So you see in CloudWatch, if you continuously do this, right? So let's see build has been started or not, why it is taking time. Okay, phase details we will see. Okay, see in the phase, request has been submitted less than 1 second. It is in queue. Basically, it is in queue. Now it is under provisioning. Let's see what will happen. And meanwhile, I can be able to show you the CloudWatch logs. In the CloudWatch, you can see 1 minute, 1 minute, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hour, any type of logs. Clear? Clear? Yes. Okay. Meanwhile, the logs are generating. Where are our logs? I will close this. Okay, guys. Okay, still, meanwhile, as our logs are generating, let me tell you one thing. So guys, my batch 4.0 is started, and it will be commencing from your September, right? September 2023. And what you are getting in this, the advanced level of projects you will get it. 12 real-time projects is what I have kept, right? 12 real-time projects, 12 plus real-time projects, and 3 hours each session on Saturday and Sunday, which means you will be sitting with me for 3 hours. I'll be talking like this, and 2 hours will be theory, 1 hour will be your project, and very important projects. And all projects in this project will be in this premium batch, I would say, right? You will get a projects which you can directly keep in your resume. It is starting from 2nd September. And one more thing, guys, the price is only for 2 days or 50 registrations. If I get any of those, I'll be closing this, right? And everything will be on English, right? And if you see, my students have grabbed jobs, 30 LPA, right? 15 LPA, 10 plus tools are covering. All the session details are here, right? So you will see CICD flow, advanced, Docker, Kubernetes, Python, chatbot automation, very, very much important, shell scripting, real-time Kubernetes projects, Terraform hands-on projects, AWS scenarios, Ansible projects, Red Hat Linux system administrations, where we will see your LVMs, your partitioning, disk partitioning, we will do hands-on, right? That is what your project. GitLab CICD, resume building, LinkedIn building, mock interviews I will do. You can see this video, how my freshers and experienced students have got placements. And you will see something like here, previous students from batch 1 and 2 have found in various organizations, Walmart, NEC, Infosys, Sapient, Global Logic, Nokia, DXC. And if I come down, if you see, he's my student of batch 1 who is in Walmart. And if you see the other students, every student is getting good companies, Deloitte, Airtel, right? And many, many other students are here. So anything. And also you will get a certification of completion like this, and you can show to your management also. And if you come down, you will see all the reviews from batch 3. See, batch 3 students, I have enrolled for batch 3 March 2023, and I must say it's an outstanding experience, right? The speaker Praveen was, so you can all go. If you are liking, you can talk with the people Akshay Panigrahi on LinkedIn. And similarly, you will see so many reviews. Okay, it's not like 3. If you click here and if you go down, right, so many reviews you will see right on this page also, right? So that's what I would like to tell you all. Those who are interested, right, you can definitely join, right? And you will also get so many things in the batch 4, right? Clear, everyone? Right, so let me show you the logs. So guys, logs are getting generated in CloudWatch. Okay, so it means here also the logs would be generated. So you see guys, see success, status code success. Are you all seeing status code success? Right, and you see everything, it is pushing to the ECR, right? Correct. And it is succeed. Now let's do one thing. 2.3 is completed. Now stage 3, create the pipeline and integrate the jobs. Now let's create the pipeline, guys. Step 1, create the code pipeline, right? Code pipeline. Okay, this is one of the service. Very easy. Okay, very easy. Very easy. Okay, let me show you how I have created this. I will not create again. I will show you. Okay. Now this was for the previous pipeline. Now I will edit this. What you need to do, create the code pipeline. See, name of the pipeline, I am role. It will be defaultly taken, right? Advanced setting, this is default, and just say this. Under this step 2, if you come here, integration with what source provider, code commit, right? And repository name is week 2 demo, branch is main, CloudWatch logs, give next. Step 3, code build, right? The next step is code commit we have integrated, code build we have integrated, right? See, code build, add build stage, the code build which we have created, and the build job pipeline. The pipeline name here will be Sunday demo. You just say next, and you come down, skip the deploy stage and save the trigger. And once you do this, what you will see in the code pipeline, guys, the pipeline will trigger. Okay. Now, where is that? Let me come here, code pipeline. Because it's already getting late, I don't want to cover the code deploy. Code deploy we will cover some other time. But you see, once you come here, you will see the pipeline is running, guys. Okay, right? You are seeing, right? Build, everything is happening, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? And let me show you the ECR, Elastic Container Registry. See, there are images which are getting placed, right? So this was our Sunday demo and the image has already got in, right? Are you all clear? Are you all clear with what I have told till now? Yes, no? How many? Okay, I am from US. Yes, Vijay, you can opt for it. No issues. Okay. Yes, Vijay. Can you include on-premise migration monolith? Yes, definitely, Stephen. I will include. Okay. Yes. Any questions? Grafana, Prometheus, everything is completed in batch 4. You don't need to learn anything. And similarly, how I have cracked jobs, you will be getting from me, right? Guys, any questions, any queries regarding the batch 4 or this project, this document, I will share in the Telegram channel. So let me close everything here. Let me show you the Telegram also. How you will see the Telegram. Go to my LinkedIn ID. Okay. And in the features list, anyways, you will see the jobs, students' jobs, right? So if you see here, Mercedes-Benz, right? If you see here, 400% hike. So let me take you into this, right? So if you see, hey, Praveen, thank you for your help. I have been selected, right? 400% hike, right? It's not less. And similarly, so many things. If you come here, I have kept everything in the feature profile. You can talk with students and then you can take it, right? Clear? So you see, my student got 3 job offers in 4th year. So basically, for freshers and experienced, everything I am covering, right? So you can see this video, connect with Nageshwar, right? So I don't talk, like 200% hike. One more thing, right? One more post, right? So you can see all the posts I'm keeping genuinely. If that person is willing to share his name, I am keeping it. If not, that's completely fine, right? Clear, everyone? Any questions? And guys, just I am telling, if 50 seats I get it, I will close this cost of registration of 4,999. As of now, if you say enroll now, it will take you to this cost, right? If I get 50, that is why I have kept August 50, if you are seeing, right? So if I get 50 people here, the registration, this cost will be increased. You will not get on 4,999. The reason is we want to get the serious people on track, right? If you are looking for job, if you need job from a person who has already cracked various companies like your Amazon, Walmart, SAP, Informatica, all those things you will get from me, right? And I will be teaching you in live sessions, right? So let me know if anyone is interested. Okay, one-on-one, Stephen, you can come on live. If you are willing to come on live, I can invite you. Anyone who is requesting for a live, I have given the StreamYard link. You can talk with me. You can connect on the StreamYard. I will bring you on call on live and you can talk with me. Do we need to know Python, Kates? No, nothing is needed. It's beginner friendly. So that is why I have clearly told that it is beginner friendly, right? So let me share my screen once to make you sure that it is beginner friendly, right? So this is what I'm telling for beginner and experienced. You don't need to learn anything. I'll be teaching you everything from scratch in this particular thing, right? Clear? Yes. Okay. If I get 50 registrations, I'll be closing this cost, right? And after that, the price will be without this coupon code. So price will be 6499, right? I hope I am making it sense. Any queries? Anyone who wants to talk with me on StreamYard can connect to here and you can talk with me. Okay, Mahi, you can definitely join. The link is just this. You type www.praveensingampally.com, you will get it, right? You need to go to the courses and you need to select here Prime 4, right? 4.0. Or if you want something like this, I can put it on the live chat also. Okay. And I can pin that, right? Okay. Not from now here, I'm not able to put it, but yeah. Anyone who wants to talk with me, who was telling Telegram link. Okay, good question. Telegram link is present on my recent posts only. So if you see, this is the LinkedIn post, right? Okay, come down. Okay, why it is? Okay, 1 second. Let me close this. Okay, on the LinkedIn post, on any post, if you go and see, right? On any post, you will find the Telegram link here. This one. Okay. So all of you see, this is the Telegram link. Okay, not Telegram, guys. Instagram. Okay, you can follow me on Instagram also. So I share the content related to DevOps and everything. See, Francisco has already shared our Kubernetes class 1, right? Kiali Jaeger, we have done the project, right? So I've kept that on Instagram. Okay, Telegram link. Do subscribe. This is the Telegram link. Okay. Oh my God, why this is coming like this? Okay, this is the Telegram link, guys. So DevOps SRE Bootcamp 3, which is running successfully. And I've also shared the Telegram documents. Okay. Till last week, I have also shared the documents, right? So you can definitely check out all those documents and you can watch me on YouTube. Everything is here on my channel. Okay. So you don't need to go anywhere to learn, right? This will be sufficing all your needs, right? So see, everything is here from day 1 to day 11. Everything is here. And for previous live classes, you can see here, right? Clear? Am I making sense, guys? Yes? Done? Any questions? Any questions? Any queries? No questions, no queries asked? Okay, great. Join 4.0. Great. RK, definitely, brother. I will be with you. Those who are joining, I'll be returning back 200% what I am promising, right? It's my promise to everyone, right? If you think like 100%, no, 200% we will be working on this, right? Definitely we will be cracking good jobs. And people from batch 3 also got jobs. Slowly I will be releasing on LinkedIn one by one posts, right? So definitely we'll be working together, right? Thanks for that. Any other questions, guys? Any other questions you want to ask or anything? Any thoughts? Dhanunjay, EMI option is not there as of now, right? But definitely you can opt for it. Okay, Kishore is here. Let me add Kishore on the screen, right? Hey, hi Kishore. Hi, able to hear me? Okay, Kishore got dropped. Okay, I am in BTech. Someone is asking, stop screen share. So someone is asking, I am in BTech second year, will also get high jobs. Yes, Mahi, see, BTech second year, na, you will be different from other people. That I am guaranteeing for sure. 100% mark my words. If you are in college, if you keep those 12 projects in your resume, right? Not 12, the best of best projects in your resume, you will stand apart from your friends. This guarantee I am giving, right? Yes. Now Ansible Puppet, it's over. No, it's not over. It's still going on, right? And you can see all those content here in batch 4, right? I could not see Telegram link. Let me share the Telegram link also to you all. Okay, this is the Telegram link. Okay, clear? Praveen, actually, I'm working as a DevOps engineer, but I'm not good in that. So can I choose that course to? Yes, definitely, Baba. What happens, right? When you choose the course, what happens? You will get a streamlined knowledge share from my end, right? You will get all those things, and you will also get project documents, resume reviews, mock interviews, everything from my end, right? 50 people I am waiting. Once I get the 50 people, then obviously everything, the costing, the track, everything will get changed, right? Net banking is there. You can just check, Sarada, right? You can just check, net banking is there. Any other questions, guys? Before I wind up, I'll take 2-3 queries, last queries. Any other queries? This is the Telegram link. You can join. Already 4,793 people are here. The documents, I'm sharing it here to all the people. I am maintaining Drive. So let me show you Drive of all the documents till I have shared to the people, to the students. Free Bootcamp 3, I think this one. Huh. So this is the document share. Okay, this is the document which I have already shared in Telegram for you all. If you don't believe, talk with any of the student, right? You can definitely join this Prime batch. Why I am telling Prime? You will get so many things in this, and I am waiting for 50 people. If I cross 50, that's it. The pricing and everything will be changed, and it is a pre-launch price, right? It's pre-launch price, and you will be with me for 3 hour session, Saturday and Sunday. 12 plus projects with core teaching. I'll be teaching, I'll be sitting with you, I'll be taking your queries, like how I am asking continuously, any queries, right? Compare with anyone in the market. Compare with anyone in the market. 30 LPA, if any student have got, come and tell to me. This is the proof. This is the proof that I am telling, right? Talk with the students. Who has got 30 LPA? Talk with the students, you will get it. 13 LPA, 1 lakh joining bonus, permanent work from home, this person has got. Not only this, if you see in my Drive, I have kept everything, guys. Okay, so let me show you jobs 1.0. So if you see, okay, this was Gopi basically. Okay, Gopi again. Okay, this is Sajid Hamid. See, he is telling my honest reviews. He is taking a lot of efforts in his current bootcamp, DevOps bootcamp, explaining every concept bit by bit. Hands-on experience. He is delivering more than what he is committed for. On the other hand, taking a lot of questions. I don't leave people. I take questions. He's making promises, right? And he's completing, right? Okay, few other people. This was 400% hike. So I keep everything, right? I keep everything in. So basically, okay, not this one. Everything, like I have few other drives also like this. Bash 2.0 drive is here somewhere. Yeah, Bash 2.0 drive, if you see, okay, one person has got Singapore, right? And a few other students, if you see, right? Hemant, he's telling, make today awesome, right? I feel amazing today, thanks. You can talk with any of the students, who have been in the part, right? Expert training, right? So definitely, I think it will help you. So because I cannot go each and every point by point, and I can show you, right? So Manikanta, If you see today, I've attended batch 2 session 1, right? He explains everything from scratch and it is very helpful, right? So I hope I am making it sense. If you are liking, I will be teaching everything in full, right? How to join, Yashwant and everyone, guys, just click on this link www.praveensingampalli.com, right? Go to courses, go to Prime Batch 4, and you have to enroll here. First 50 people will get this cost, right? And you will pay a per day cost as a burger, single burger. How you get the cost, right? You are paying for this course that much cost. Once you proceed, you will get it. I will put this link again in the chat. Already in the Telegram group I have shared. Those who are interested, you can click on this link, guys. Okay, Srinivas, what is difference? Good question. So Srinivas, you will get here, no project is on YouTube. Every project is different on 4.0. This is my guarantee. No project will be on YouTube. Every project is unique and different and real time with my experience on here, right? Clear? Okay, clear. So all of you have to go to this URL. I've already shared, right? Multiple times I have shared, and I've also starred it. So you can just check and you can work on that. Yes, recordings are available. Okay, you all are again asking. Let me tell you. So let me share you again. So all of you see, recordings will be access 2+ years of access for recordings. In previous batches, I have given for 1 year, but this year you will get 2 years. And if you ask me, right, if I get 50 seats, right, if you see August 50 is the code running on this. If you see 50 people getting joined, the price will be automatically changed to the next level, right? Then if you are interested, please do opt it before today, right? 12 p.m. or something, because I strongly believe this change will happen. And everything, every content is here. Every content, guys, no prerequisites. This is beginner friendly. Language will be purely on English. And my students have got this package, and this is an average package which they take home, right? And not only me, you can talk with any students. You click on this, you will have students who have already got. If I show you on my YouTube channel, you will already get all the students who are there, right? So let me show you on the video. Okay, where are those people? Okay, see this person, Yogesh Nageshwar, right, has got this. And one more person in Zinga, see, internships, he got internships. Highest fresher package, guys. You see this video. My student has got highest package as fresher as SRE engineer. And one more thing I forgot to tell you, why I have called this batch a prime batch, because I am covering SRE also, site reliability engineering, which is very much important, right? Very, very much important. So you need to be making sure that you know all these things. Clear? No, who told my people are taking, right? So Krishna, if I get 50 people today, the price will change, right? Sarda, if you see that ICICI is making you, it's not allowing you, you can opt for other payments like your phone pay, or opt for any credit card, debit card payments. It will definitely handle. Recordings, you will get it. Yes, recordings are there. ICICI net banking might not be there, but other banks are there. Other banks are definitely there. You can check. Okay. Yes. Shall I choose resume building and mock interviews? No, there are no different sessions. Everything is interlinked. If you purchase, you will get as a package of the course. If you, okay, Krishna, the thing is, if the cost changes, then you have to take that cost, right? Yes, career gap, Kishore. See, what happens, right? When you have a career gap, you need to make sure how you are coming into back on IT track. Everything will be explained in this classes, right? Should we place for product-based companies also? Yes. So guys, why are you asking again the question? I am only targeting product-based companies. Let's target product-based companies is my agenda, right? And if you see, this is me, about me, right? So everything will be here. If you see here, landing page, everything is on product-based companies only. I target only product-based companies. Okay, I target means my students will also target that. Course content, Mukesh, course content is here, right? Everything is here, right? If I tell, see, for a free course only, I'm making the best class for you. Then think what you will get here. Just scroll here, syllabus and course module, right? Everything is here, right? So you will get everything as a package here, right? So that is what belief I will give, that is what guarantee I will give, right? And everything is there on YouTube, you can talk, and everything is there on LinkedIn also, you can talk with anyone, right? So any other questions, guys, before we wind up? Chatbot is also there for you. Any other questions? Yes, Krishna, you can purchase from USA. You can opt for Razorpay wallet payment. People from USA can opt for Razorpay wallet payments, right? Sorry, PayPal wallet payments, right? Okay, I joined community. Thank you, Praveen. Yashwant, great. See you in the class, right? Okay. Yes, USA you can purchase. USA, Europe. My students, earlier students were there from USA, Europe, Canada. You can watch this Instagram, right? And you will find out how the students have been till now, right? So if you see batch 3.0, I don't know whether it will come or not. Okay, you see this is the batch 3.0, right? And you see from where people have been here, right? So people are there from various places here, right? How is the session? They are telling, right? They are telling session is good, right? So you see already so many testimonials, right? Not only here, you can watch all my Insta stories also, right? I keep everything, right? So you see, hi sir, I am happy to tell that I got placed as junior DevOps engineer. Fresher has got the package, guys. At this moment, I would like to thank you for your positive energy and motivation and confidence you have felt during each session. I hope it continues for a long time. I have recommended to most of my friends, and it is basically in WhatsApp. So she was in WhatsApp also. So she pinged, right? And you will also get WhatsApp community once you join, right? Little bit later, right? In the class, right? So I think this was I was telling. No, I think this is a reel. So one more thing I wanted to show you from where the students are basically, right? Okay, so see, this is one more thing Chandan is telling. Fantastic course, right? So that's what, see, Python, I am teaching everything, right? Python, I am teaching everything. So that's what the things will be. I think I'm making it sense, right? So you see for batch 2, you will see from which places my students are. See, USA, UK, Nepal, Andhra, UK, Germany, France. So I had students from all over the world, guys. Okay, even Pakistan, Khalid was there. Okay, Uttarakhand, Andhra, France. Okay, clear? Vizag, Bangalore. Clear, everyone? I think I cannot talk more now. It's already like maybe good Sunday we have spent, right? I think I'm making it sense. Right? Yes, no? Okay, Anurag, you can talk with me one-to-one here. I can share the link. If anyone wants to talk, I'm happy to help you, right? Please, you can click on that StreamYard link. Yes, Anjan, you can join this one, definitely. So I have given, after completing course, can I put Srinivas, 100% my guarantee. You can keep it 4 years, 5 years, 7 years, 100%, okay? Dhananjay is I am working, but if I pick 4.0 course, if any requirements comes up in my project, do we have Slack kind of options where all Dhananjay, we have Telegram where you can talk it. Once you enroll, you will get the Telegram link. You can join there. All the people are there. All the students will be there. Okay. And you can help each other. For enrolled member, live video class will share or not. Yes, Naresh, everything will be on the website. If you join, right? So like this, you will get a Zoom link every day. You will have a learner's dashboard. This is for me, right? This is for me. This is for all the people. But you will get a learner's dashboard where you will have various things, okay, to learn, right? Any other questions? Yes, Krishna, I have told multiple times, you have to opt for PayPal wallet, okay? Yes, Manan, yes. Definitely. Actually, I'm working. I've already told this. For USA, which option can we have? For USA, Golla, we can have PayPal. Okay, PayPal wallet is only there for USA. PayPal, you can use it. Okay, Pawan is joining. Rupendra is joining. Let me take in. Okay, hi Pawan. You have to unmute, and Rupendra, you have to unmute. Okay, both are here. Hey, hi. Tell your query. Yeah. No, one second. Huh? Golla, you have to go for Razorpay option. From Razorpay, you will get the PayPal. Just do the Razorpay. You will get the PayPal. Okay, Pawan, go ahead. Pawan, right? Or Rupendra. Okay, go ahead, Rupendra. Yeah. What's your question?
Hi Praveen, I'm having almost 8 years of experience. Currently working in IT field only,
Yeah,
but recently, means due to layoffs and all, I put on the papers. So there is some pressure from the management also.
correct.
So now I think almost I have only 80 to 70 to 80 days time left. So is it possible to learn DevOps and get the means new job in this?
Definitely, Rupendra. That will be the best option. I think for this time now, you need to utilize to best, right? So this
Yeah,
course is designed in a structured way, right? And every project it will be like real time, and you can keep in resume also. And I will be sharing that document how you can keep in resume also each project with the title, with the description, with the lines also, right? So that what you
okay.
have did hands on, you can tell them proudly and very boldly also, right?
Yeah. I texted
100%.
in LinkedIn also for you for this
Okay,
one only.
LinkedIn, there will be so many people. I cannot talk, right? So that is the reason,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, I was expecting. Even I dropped a mail also, but still I didn't get
Okay,
any.
sorry for that.
Yeah,
Thanks for joining, right?
yeah,
Because see, I'm doing this YouTube also, this also, work also. So it will be little difficult. But yeah, thanks and sorry for that, right?
yeah, no problem. No problem.
Okay.
Thanks
See you
for
in
that.
class. Yeah, thank you.
Yeah,
No
sure.
problem.
Thanks.
Bye. Okay, Anurag, add to stream. Pawan, if you want to talk, you have to unmute yourself. Kushal, add to stream.
Yeah. Hi, Praveen.
Yes. Hi. Yeah.
Kushal here.
Hey, hi, Kushal. Yeah, go ahead.
Uh, I had two doubts right now. One is when the number of students increases, it will be
Correct.
hard to communicate, right? What would we do?
See, after every class,
Like, how
right?
will the
I
approach
take
be from your end also?
correct. So I have Telegram community. I will have WhatsApp community also for these students, right? Students who are enrolling will get both the things.
Okay.
WhatsApp community is particularly for those people who can support each other, and I have my own community also who will help these people, right? You can talk with any student from batch 3.0. We have done that only, right? And everyone is talking till now, right? If they get any openings, they will share. If they have any doubts, they will put it documents. Everything is there, so don't worry about that, right?
Regarding the same thing, what you are mentioning, if at all,
Hmm.
imagine I am from Delhi right now.
Correct.
I get done with this course, and a
Yes.
few other students also will be in the same location itself. Even they
Yes.
will get done with this same course. When in the resume, we all will update the same thing. If at all we go to a company X interview, if at all that employer sees the resume, there will be some similarities. So how
No.
will that
Let me let me
impact
tell you.
us and the company?
Correct. Exactly.
You
See
got
what
it or
happens.
not?
No, no, I got it. I got your question. That's 100% well thinkable, but not practically applicable. Now, if okay, let's assume that very simple and straightforward. I will give you an example. Pawan, right? Okay, who is this? Pawan only, right? Pawan only, right? I'm talking with whom I am talking.
Kushal,
Okay, Kushal. Sorry. So
Kushal,
Kushal, yeah, Kushal. Let's assume that I am
Kushal
learning and
Praveen.
you are also learning. Okay, we both are learning. Now I have okay. Some X person has
Okay,
given both of us the document. Okay. Now think in this way. I have copied the data and I have kept in my resume, and
okay,
you Kushal have changed some of the things according to your knowledge, right? Correct. Now those who have copied it, right, that's completely fine, because They think that they got the data.
Yes.
Now, because you want to upskill a little bit and you want to change that, modify the sentence, right? Let's think like that. I have designed and developed the Python project, which has helped the team to develop or reduce their efforts, right? And what is the project? You will write one more line. But this person is just keeping like, I have developed the Python project with some modules. That's it, right? He's not telling that how it has helped the development teams to reduce the work, right? So wordings definitely change, right? And always I tell to take these lines and keep it in their innovative way. So it's not like everyone will copy the same things, right? Clear? Okay, thanks, Kaushal. See you in class.
But if at all we tell the same project,
See,
if at
correct. So
all of
now
us tell the same project, if at all we are
one
giving
more
the
thing.
interview for X company.
Okay, one more thing. How many years of experience you have?
Currently 3.5.
3.5, right? So let's assume that X people are joining this 4.0. How many years of people will be in your bracket? Can you just guess if I want to ask?
Okay.
Yeah, correct na? So experience getting selected in a
20 to
company
30.
matters a lot, right? Matters a lot, right? So if you assume that a fresher is keeping the same project, you think in this way, right? Fresher will
Yes.
not come as a competition to you. You will have those people who are in their bracket, in your bracket of your experience, right? It differs. So don't worry about
Yes.
that, right? Clear? Great. It was really nice talking to you. I think with your answers,
Hi, Praveen.
so many people would have
Thank you,
got.
Praveen.
Okay, no problem. Thank you. Okay, who is this?
Hello.
Anurag?
Yeah. You're
Go
able to
ahead.
hear me?
Yes, I'm able to hear you. Go ahead.
Yeah. So I have almost 4+ years of experience in DevOps. So I was just asking that in 2 months, if I will only read the interview questions of suppose DevOps tools or whatever the tools are currently in the market, so will that be enough, or I have to in-depth study all the tools?
No, you have to study. Okay, sorry, first second. You have to study in depth everything. Okay, that is very much important. And in this 4.0, you will get everything what you need for an interview to crack. So, Anurag, let me tell you, I will be teaching, right? So, I have
Yeah.
cracked all the product based companies which you know by name, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Except Google. Google, I got rejected in third round. But yeah, almost all the companies I have the offer letters and everything. So don't worry, you will get the best in class projects and knowledge, whatever I have, right? So don't worry about that.
Yeah. So we'll be getting the PDF files also
Yes,
after your
PDF
videos.
files, class notes, and documents, everything. Three under one session you will be getting in each day, each week. That is.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's all.
Okay, great.
Thank you.
Thanks. Okay, so it was Anurag. So, guys, I think I'm good. It was great. 8 to 10, we have talked a lot, right? And I'll be leaving the meeting now. And definitely, if anyone wants to join, one last time I will share the screen because I think 50 people are allowed to take right this course. So, if you see, this is only for pre-launch price, and if you see enroll now, for USA people, you can opt for Razorpay, right? Razorpay, it will take you to the PayPal wallet option. Only 50 people I am keeping for this people, right? Who are interested. And when Praveen is telling so many people's placement and data, if you are really interested, you can come and join. Enroll before 12 p.m. today. You will be getting good benefits. This is my guarantee, right? So make sure you are joining. And also, you can talk to any students and join after that, right? If any negative comment, I'm happy that you don't join. If you get any negative comment and if you feel that that's valid, please don't join. That's completely fine. But 99.9999, the availability of the positive comments will be more. If you search on Quora, by the way, you will get the data for me, right? If you search in Quora, you will get the data for Praveen Singampalli's course, right? Go ahead and just type in Google Praveen Singampalli, you will get all the details, right? Okay, how so I told, right, Shravs. Okay, Shravs, I have already told you that the doubts clearing sessions in the class and also the community is there to help you, right? So don't worry about that. Clear? Yes or no, guys? All are happy? Chalo, with the document I will be sharing in the Telegram channel. So meet you all in tomorrow's video, as we go ahead, we have so many things to cover, right? So we will meet day by day new people and we'll do the hands-on projects also, right? Clear? All are good? Great. AK, thank you. It's really good to see you in more projects, more class, more details. Ramkrishna. Yes, Ramkrishna, definitely. Salesforce people, I have students from support background to DevOps. I have students from your hardware domain to DevOps. So don't worry about that. Golla, what you can do now? Those who are having issues, please write the email to here. If you see there is something like email option FAQs. In FAQ, you will have, if you get any issues, okay, don't worry, I will give that data to you. If any issues, you can write to singambatch4@gmail.com and we will be happy to help you, right? Okay, not this one. I will edit it. Okay, delete option is not coming. Okay, SINGAMBATCH4@gmail.com. Okay, I have put it. singambatch4@gmail.com. Okay, Golala. SINGAMBATCH4@gmail.com. Okay, Dhananjay, that's really great. Okay, this made me laugh. This is really good and nice to hear, right? Okay, watching your playlist like a web series every day apart from my work. See you on 7th September. Okay, thank you, Dhananjay. It really means a lot, right? See you all. Okay, take care. Happy weekend. It's almost 2 hours we have talked continuously, right? And see you all in batch 4. And anyways, so many things we are going to cover. So definitely it will help you. Join before 12 p.m. Today so that you get at least cost, right? Okay, great. Thank you all for joining. Let me close this meeting. See you all in from tomorrow, right? We'll be working, we'll be learning, right? Great. Thank you all. Chalo. Bye. Good night. This is Singham signing off. See you all in 2nd September again in live classes, by the way, right? So thank you all for joining and take care. Bye.